Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today we're looking at a versatile vacuum that promises to make your cleaning tasks easier, the Shark Pet Cordless Stick Vacuum. With a host of features, including a removable hand vac, LED headlights, and an impressive 40-minute runtime, this vacuum is built to tackle a variety of surfaces, from hard floors to carpets, while dealing with pet hair along the way. But does it live up to the hype? Let's get into it. This Shark cordless stick vacuum is designed to provide convenience without sacrificing performance. At the heart of its cleaning power is the Hypervelocity Suction. This feature offers exceptional suction, which helps in picking up everyday dirt, dust, and debris. You'll notice that it works seamlessly on both hard floors and carpets, thanks to its bristle brush roll and powerful suction, making it perfect for homes with multiple floor types. The vacuum also stands out with its 40-minute runtime. That's more than enough for quick, efficient cleaning sessions, especially in smaller homes or apartments. Just keep in mind that the runtime is measured in standard mode without any attachments. If you switch modes or add tools, you might see the runtime dip a little. For most, though, it's a solid amount of cleaning time without constantly needing a recharge. When it comes to versatility, the Shark Pet Vacuum does not disappoint. One of its most notable features is its removable hand vac. This transforms the stick vacuum into a lightweight, portable cleaner, ideal for above-floor cleaning. Whether you're cleaning your upholstery, your car, or high shelves, the hand vac's Crevice tool helps reach those tricky spots with ease. That's a game changer for pet owners who are constantly dealing with fur on all sorts of surfaces. In terms of design, this vacuum is not only functional but also convenient to store. Its low-profile design allows it to easily glide under furniture, which is a huge advantage for reaching dust and debris that often gets missed. The freestanding storage option is another plus, allowing you to detach the hand vac and store it neatly at the base of the wand. This setup helps keep things tidy and saves valuable storage space. Now, let's talk about a key aspect of any vacuum: cleaning efficiency. Shark claims that this model excels at lifting pet hair, a feature that's increasingly important for pet owners. I tested it on carpet and hard floors, and while it picked up most of the hair without any issues, it did struggle slightly with more embedded fur, especially in high-pile carpets. However, the performance was more than adequate for regular cleaning, and it certainly didn't leave anything behind on smoother surfaces like hardwood or tile. Speaking of the dust cup, it has a large capacity and is equipped with Shark's Clean Touch dirt ejector for easy, hands-free disposal. That's one of the best features, as it helps you avoid messy hands while emptying the debris. The cup can fill up quickly, depending on how much you're vacuuming, but the ejector ensures that everything stays clean and convenient to dispose of. There's also a noticeable effort to address convenience with this vacuum, such as the inclusion of LED headlights. These lights illuminate hidden debris around the home, which can be especially helpful for cleaning in darker corners or underneath furniture where you might otherwise miss some dirt. It's a small touch, but one that adds real value for those who want every inch of their space spotless. In terms of noise levels, the Shark Pet Vacuum is relatively quiet compared to some other models on the market. While it isn't silent, the noise isn't overbearing, making it a good choice for homes where noise is a concern. However, it's not all perfect. The build quality of the vacuum feels decent, but it's not the most robust model out there. The plastic components, while lightweight, feel a little flimsy, and the connection points, like the wand and dust cup, could be more durable. If you're looking for something that's going to withstand a lot of wear and tear over many years, this might not be the strongest contender. Now, let's compare it to other models on the market. In the same price range, you'll find a few solid competitors. The Dyson V8, for instance, offers great suction power and a slightly longer runtime, but it's also more expensive. The Bissell Icon Pet is another contender, and while it has strong suction and is excellent for pet hair, its runtime is slightly shorter and the design isn't as sleek. When it comes to value, the Shark Pet Cordless Stick Vacuum does a great job of balancing performance and price, especially for those who need an effective solution for cleaning pet hair and small to medium-sized spaces. As for long-term use, this vacuum is relatively easy to maintain. The filters are washable, and the dust cup is simple to empty. The brush roll, however, can accumulate pet hair, so regular cleaning is necessary, but that's to be expected with any vacuum used for pet hair. Over time, I'd expect this vacuum to perform consistently, though the plastic build might wear out faster compared to higher-end models. Customer support for Shark has been positive in general, with prompt responses to inquiries and helpful service, which adds peace of mind for buyers who might encounter any issues with their vacuum. So, who should consider this vacuum? If you're a pet owner or someone who needs a quick, versatile cleaning solution for multiple floor types, this Shark vacuum offers solid performance. Its hypervelocity suction, removable hand vac, and efficient design make it a great option for those with moderate cleaning needs and a busy lifestyle. If you're someone who needs heavy-duty performance on thick carpets or long-lasting durability for years to come, you might want to look at pricier alternatives with more robust construction. If this vacuum fits your needs, make sure to check the link in the comments box to grab one for yourself. Have you already tried the Shark Pet Cordless Stick Vacuum? Let us know your experience below or ask any questions you have. Thanks for watching. And remember, here at Reviewsinsidetv, we're all about keeping your home clean and your life easier. Until next time, stay tidy and keep your floors spotless.